Hey neighbor, I got a fart. That was a real good one. Oh yeah. So neighbor, I took into the initiative. I'm not wearing my costume because people say it makes me look stupid. And I am not stupid. No, not again. Yeah, oh my gosh, neighbor! Help me, he's back! Oh no, no! Get away! Oh neighbor! Howdy neighbor! How you doing? Hi, is that you in there? Oh my gosh! It's a camera! Reese, we've been compromised! Run! Hey neighbor, you want a cookie? This cookie's real good. I like it a lot. I bet you like cookies too.